Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome President of Bugatti Automobiles, Wolfgang Thurheimer.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure tonight to present the Buggati Vision Gran Turismo show car exclusively for the Frankfurt Motor Show and the fans of our brand. A virtual project that becomes tangible reality. Buggati Vision Gran Turismo is the first stage of the next chapter of our corporate history, which will start after the sale of the 450th Veyron, and which, with this model, sees a new benchmark, milestone, and highlight with the introduction of the Bugatti. The next Bugatti super sports car is not far away. We present the new design language with this concept car, and it is characterized by any amount of beauty, but even more beast, if you like. Characteristic styling cues of this model will be found in our next production super sports car. As you can see, we are on the eve of exciting changes. But one thing will remain unchanged and will not change in the future, ladies and gentlemen. We have a knife-sharp profile, a razor-sharp profile. This is our position. We will offer the most luxurious and fastest and most exclusive super sports production cars in the world. Unfortunately, we are exclusive to just a small circle of automotive connoisseurs who own one of them. This is typical of our brand, this nature of being so exclusive. We regret that to some extent because we owe something to our fans as well. We have to cater to their needs as well, which is why we've decided to build a car that is not exclusive to a very few lucky people who have one in their garages, but some car that moves people worldwide, needs to be accessible to people worldwide. This is our Bugatti Gran Turismo concept car with the PlayStation Racing Series. With more than 70 million users, it will offer the opportunity of playing that game and experiencing this Vision Gran Turismo exceptional product. It is a perfect opportunity to present our brand to a larger group of people, to make it accessible. The motorhead, the petrol heads, the power freaks, the gamers, and everyone who has cars in their blood. We'd like to thank our fans for the enthusiasm that they've accompanied us with over the past 10 years. We thank the world for loving Bugatti so much. This car, the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, is for our fans. Thank you very much.